Welcome to Ultra 8K OTT, the ultimate OTT experience. We proudly present one of the most powerful and comprehensive IPTV platforms on the market. Enjoy over 33,000 live channels, 170,000 movies, and more than 32,000 series, all in stunning Ultra 8K quality. Our exclusive features include private domain integration, custom DNS hosting, and full Cloudflare optimization, uniquely crafted for your panel. Adding a MAG device to your Ultra 8K panel is fast and intuitive. Enter the MAC address, select the subscription duration, and choose the content packages tailored to your client's preferences. From regional live TV to categorized video on demand, you have full control with just a few clicks. Ultra 8K makes it simple to create personalized M3U lines for smart TVs, mobile apps, and web-based players. Choose a username, select a subscription period, and assign the content packages that match your audience. Whether it's live TV, VOD, or region-specific entertainment, M3U lines give you full flexibility across all platforms. Ultra 8K also supports Enigma 2-based devices. Expand your business by creating sub-reseller accounts directly from your Ultra 8K panel. Assign credits, set permissions, and configure access options, all in one streamlined interface. Sub-resellers gain access to their own panels, with optional adult content and reseller creation rights, giving you full control over your network. Save time with Ultra 8K's built-in template system. Select your preferred live TV packages and video on demand categories and create a custom template for instant use. Whether for resellers or recurring customer needs, templates keep your setup consistent, fast, and hassle-free.